Able, can you hear me? Hi, hello. Able, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, how's the day?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Oh,
And you?
last time, yeah, I'm good. Last time we discussed the D1 topic. In D1, we discussed the OSI model, function, layer information, sender side concept, receiver side concept, why we use the OSI model, how many layers available, each layers, which type of function we are using. A small brief session we discuss. Okay. Then we discuss application layer 2 services. Basically, why we use application layer, we discuss two services we discuss. In two service, we discuss HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, right now you can go through the last session video. So you just need to go to new tab and click on this folder. And now wait, go to live section. Okay, this one is channel. Go to live section. And now go to D1. This one is D1 part. Okay, click on this one. Okay, in D1, we discuss first the brief session about the layers, OSI model. Okay, and then we start the layer application. In application layer, we discuss HTTP service, why we use, how to use, clear, and how to identify the service, clear. Then we discuss next service, HTTPS. Basically, mostly web servers access or use HTTPS service. Okay, HTTP or HTTPS service is done. Now we need to discuss about the next service part. Next service is my HTTPS. After next service, we need to discuss about the FTP service. Which one service, dear? FTP service. So right now, again, we are getting a same diagram. Okay. Now we need to create the diagram. So again, we are getting a same diagram. This one is user, and user connected with your modem, or modem connected with your ISP. Now, this one is ISP, Internet Service Provider. So in this design, how to discuss FTP service and why we use FTP service. First, we need to discuss. So FTP means, first clear the FTP theory. Why we use FTP? So FTP called File Transfer Protocol. What is the meaning of FTP? File Transfer Protocol. Okay, one more thing. It is used to do download and upload process. Clear? One more thing. This service available publicly or locally. You can access. Publicly means, for example, if you are accessing Google Drive, so Google Drive available publicly na. If you are accessing, for example, internal server to store your data files, so we are using local. One more thing, this service use a port number. If you are using HTTP or HTTPS, clear. So HTTP having a port number is 80, or HTTPS use 443 port numbers. That means identical. Now one more thing. If you are using FTP, so mostly FTP use 20 and 21 port number. Mostly student getting a confusion in between both port number. Which one is main port number and why we use two ports number? So first port, clear, 20 number. This port number create a transport channel. What is the meaning of transport channel? This port number help to create tunnel. Okay. Now, after creating tunnel 21, this port number help to do which one task? Download and upload. If you want to do download and upload tasks, so this port number will have. Now, for example, if I am saying right now, this user say, brother, I want to do download some tasks. So this user access Google Chrome first. Last time we already opened the tab 1 and tab 2. Now this user access tab number is 3. On tab number 3, this user say, I just want to download some software. So this user say free antivirus download. So mostly person do this task, free antivirus, then enter. After enter, this user will generate a data. This data user forward on modem side and modem forward on ISP. ISP accept and ISP will provide some service for download and web server information. This modem will provide for user and user will go to Chrome tab. And after going to Chrome tab, this tab number 3 will show the complete website information. This tab number 3 showing the complete website information. Now, which one website we are accessing right now? So this user say I'm accessing right now https://hours.com website. So basically this user will access which website? Hours.com website. Okay, right now we are using backend HTTPS because this website available on web server na? And this website server will provide antivirus. Clear? Now, so after accessing this website, this user get the one option. Which one? This user will get on this website a download button. Which one? Download button. So download button means if you click on this button, so this button will show 3 options. If you want to download the antivirus for APK, for application, Android mobile phones, for Mac, for Windows. So you just need to click on the options, which device you want to require this antivirus. Then after click on download, we can get the file, but this user will create first tunnel in between server to client. Now, if you click on download button, that means file will be downloaded, but any possibility available to upload your file on this website? No, we are not getting any option. Why? Because on this website, we are getting 2 rules. Which one? If user want to, or if user trying to download, or if user trying to upload. So if user trying to download, so this one will be allowed. If user trying to upload, that means this one task will be denied. If you want to download, so allow. If you want to upload, so it's a deny. So basically FTP service, why we used to do download upload task. So whenever we reach on free antivirus, free software website, so we are getting only download tab. Download tab means this website only providing the download option. If you're trying to upload your file with the help of FTP, so not possible, because 2 rules are running in backend. Which 2 rules? If you're trying to download, if you're trying to upload. So download is allowed, but upload is denied. So this thing is true or false. How to verify? Because we already clear the port numbers. Now, how to verify this task? Oh, very simple. Go to this one, and I just need to close this one and go to, for example, free antivirus download directly and then enter. Now, after free antivirus, then enter. We are getting multiple options, but can you please verify this one is add? So no need to click on this one. Okay. Go to next option. We are getting complete website now. So this website we can access. For example, if I'm click on this one website, and now we redirect on our web servers. And now after redirect, this website is secure. That is the reason. Okay, now we are getting the free download button for Mac, for Android, for iOS. But in this website, any possibility available to upload my file? Able? Any possibility available, dear? Hello? Able, can you hear me? Any possibility available to upload your files? No, we are not getting the availability option. We are not getting the upload feature, but same. This one is public server because we are trying to download the file. So ours will provide the publicly ours antivirus file. Okay, now if you are accessing Google Drive, for example, if you are accessing Google Drive, so if you access the Google Drive, so Google Drive have option, click on new and then verify. We are getting upload file or folder if you want to download. So right click, you can get download. But in Google Drive, we can get the upload download feature. But on antivirus website for another websites, we are getting any upload feature? No, we are not getting any upload feature. So FTP, we can get some download feature, some upload feature. So FTP provide only download upload task. Now one more thing you need to learn for after FTP. We need to discuss the next part of service. Next part of service is which one? DNS. Okay. DNS. Abel, can you please tell me what is the meaning of DNS? Why we use in network DNS?
Domain name services.
Domain name service. Why we use, brother, this one? Why we use? Any idea? Which purpose we are using DNS concept in a network? Any idea? DNS. Basically, DNS called domain name system. If this person is not available, so no, we cannot get access google.com. Okay. So domain name system. Why we use? It is used to resolve name to IP queries. Clear? For example, if I'm having the name is Bob and I want to get the mobile number. So we are getting some applications now. So Bob person mobile number we can get, but we are using DNS. One more thing. It's also resolve IP to name queries. If you're having the IP or if you want to access the website, so possible. Okay, one more thing. It's available locally or publicly. Sometimes in an organization, we configure the DNS servers. For example, this user working in ABC organization, clear? And this user trying to access the google.com. So google.com accessible, but whenever this user trying to access youtube.com or any other website, facebook.com, so possible, but which case only public. If this user getting the local DNS server information, so this user whenever send any query for Google, YouTube, Facebook, any social media, so this query never resolve in locally because we can get option to limited query resolve, okay, in local DNS. But in public DNS, you can search anything because we are getting the Google search engine now. So Google also using some DNS. Now, one more thing. DNS server possible to resolve IPv4 and IPv6 queries. This one is addresses. Okay, IP address method. Now one more thing, DNS. DNS use a port number. How to identify? So port number is 53. One more thing, DNS. DNS use a messages. This message is very important. First message we are getting the DNS query message, and second is DNS reply message, and third DNS query not resolved message. Okay, so these three messages we are using in production network. In mostly cases, even in mostly cases, if you are going for interviews, so mostly question we are getting how to identify DNS query is IPv4 or IPv6. So it's a very simple method, very simple. DNS query will carry type field. Which one, dear? Type field. In this type field, if you are getting single A, so that means this one is IPv4 query. If you are getting in type field 4 times A, that means it's a IPv6 query. Okay, so in query message we are getting the type field, and this type field, clear, it's an IPv4 or IPv6. So how to learn in my small network the DNS concept? So we create again a small diagram. For example, this one is my user. This user connected with your modem. Modem means access points. You can connect with router as well. And modem connected with your this cloud person. That means it's providing the internet services. Now, one more thing. So for example, this ISP having a separate DNS server. So this ISP say I'm having my separate DNS server. So ISP will create the DNS server first. And inside the DNS server, we are getting a multiple things. But for example, only learning purpose, I'm giving the example. Inside the DNS server, how many information available? For example, we are getting the IP. We are getting the service information. Then we are getting the website information. Clear? Then we are getting sometimes port number information. Okay. So those information example available in my DNS server. And this DNS server having the IP address. IP address is 10.10.10.10, for example. Now, so whenever we are getting the internet connection, home, office, in college, in anywhere, so ISP engineer come and configure the modem. Modem, your DNS server IP is 10.10.10.10. Okay, no issue. Now, inside the DNS server, ISP will define 1.1.1.1. For example, this IP accessing HTTP service for which one website? For example, Ccna. For HTTP, the port number is 80. 2.2.2.2. For this one is HTTPS. And this one website is CCNP, and the port number is 443. 3.3.3.3, and this one is FTP, and we are accessing the website is ours. And port number is only we are getting 21. Never show the 20 port number. 20 port number will make the channel. So no need to mention anywhere. Only mention the 21, because all tasks done by 21, download and upload tasks. Clear? Now, one more thing, 4.4.4.4, and this one using HTTPS, and website name is JNtech Networks. Clear? And port number is again HTTPS, so 443. Now, so in this design, this user say I want to access some website. So this user open the Google Chrome, and tab 1, tab 2, tab 3 we already done. Now this user access the tab number is 4. Now in tab number 4, this user say, brother, I want to reach the website is CCNA. but I know the only name of website. This one is name. So this user say I'm sending first DNS query. In DNS query, this person say I'm sending the question who is CCNA and provide me the answer. Answer must be provided in IP. So if you're having IPv4, if you're having IPv6, this DNS query, and we are sending data. Now, how to know this user must be sent the query message on modem side. So whenever this user get the IP address from the modem, so modem provide IP plus DNS server information also. So this user send the query message on modem, and modem verify this person sending the query. Okay, DNS query. So this query message modem forward ISP. ISP accept. Why? Because ISP verify the query message received on this IP address. Okay. Now, next thing, ISP DNS server look up into table any website available with the name of CCNA. Able, can you please verify the name of CCNA website is available in my DNS server? Dear, can you please verify the DNS server?
Yes, CCNA
Yes.
is
Available.
Is available on port 80.
Available. Yeah, very good. So ISP send, okay, now I am sending the again data, but I am getting the find out the entry. So ISP send, I am sending the DNS query reply message. In reply, your question is who is CCNA? And my answer is ISP say 1.1.1.1. And this modem will receive and modem will forward on user, and user forward on application on Google Chrome. And this Google Chrome will show http://ccna.com. The complete website we are getting done now. Sometimes this error we are getting in real time also. Mostly 101%. Every internet users, if you are accessing before the 5 years, okay. So always we are getting this error. Everyone. Which error? For example, this user say I want to access again website. So this user open Google Chrome, and then tab number is able. The tab number is which one?
Tab 4.
Tab 4 is already done. Now next
Tab
tab
5.
is
Tab 5.
tab number 5. And this user say I want to reach the website is, for example, this user say I want to reach Cisco. Or you can say this one say I want to reach the website name is ABC. Enter. So this user say after enter this website name, so user generate data. Inside data, this user say I'm sending the which one message? DNS query.
DNS query.
And question is who is ABC?
Yes.
And answer, please provide me the IP to reach the server. Yes or no? And this query
Yes.
on modem to ISP, and ISP to server, and server look up into table. Can you please find out any entry available or not available in my table?
No entry.
No entry. So in this case, ISP say on modem side, I am sending some data, but in this data, I am sending the messages DNS query not resolved. Clear? And your question is who is ABC? So I'm not able to find out. And this query not resolved message forward to user, and user get on tab number 5. Now, which one message? Can you please read? This site
can be reachable.
Oh my, this one error you are also getting. Yes or no? So mostly
Yes.
cases, this error we are getting. Which scenario? Whenever DNS server is not possible to resolve name to IP or IP to name queries. Okay. If someone asking, sir, any practical available for DNS for beginner? Yes, you can do easily. Go to CMD, okay, on your laptop. You can also do. And write down the command is IP config. Can you please verify right now I am connected with the Wi-Fi connection? Yes or no? Wireless connectivity I am accessing right now. Now, enter. So right now, can you please verify the Wi-Fi adapter having some IP, subnet mask, and gateway also. But any DNS server information available? No. So write down the next command is ipconfig space slash all and then verify. Now, can you please verify the wireless LAN adapter getting some address plus the DNS server IP is which one, dear? A.A.A.8. Who is the A.A.A.8? It's a Google public DNS server. Okay, this one is public DNS. If you want to resolve any type of query, so we can get the option. Okay, this one is automatically we are getting. Now, next thing, how to verify this information? It's a very simple. In your CMD, write down the command is nslookup. Which one command, dear? If you're having the DNS server IP, the next command is nslookup. nslookup means name server lookup process and then enter. Now my DNS server IP is A.A.A.8 and this one is which one server? Which one server? Google.
Google.
And if you want to verify the Google server IP address, so how to verify? I'm saying I just want to reach www.google.com. I want to reach this website. So this name server lookup feature will provide name to IP. So enter. Then we are getting the IP address of Google. This one is Google IP address. So this IP we copy and then paste on my browser. So right now, go to new tab and this tab will be this side and minimize this one. So right now DNS server provide the IP is which one? 142.250.193.196 and then enter. So we can get the access. Which one? Verify. Even which one? Google.com. Yes or no?
Google.com. Yes.
Yeah. Write down the name of your website. You can get the IP address. This one is internal feature. Okay. If someone says, sir, I want to reach the youtube.com. So you need to write down www.youtube.com. Enter. So multiple IP address available. For example, if I'm using this one, some IP reachable, some is not reachable for security. Okay. Security reasons. Enter. So we are getting which one, dear? Directly. Which one? Google. So some IP is mapped. IP mapping is already done in backend. For example, if I'm write down, I want to jump www.JNtech and then enter. So we can get the IP address. If you enter this one, so access. If you want to any name to IP, so you can get easily. So this one is feature. But right now, you can also capture the packets. How to capture the packet? You can go to install Wireshark application for Windows, for Mac OS, for Linux. Why we use Wireshark? This one is the capturing tool. It's a free tool. Capturing. Whenever your traffic is incoming, whenever your traffic is outgoing, you can capture easily on Wireshark. Open this tool. It's a very simple tool to use. Okay. In a network engineer always use this tool. And right now, which adapter traffic you want to capture? Even which traffic? Any Bluetooth traffic, local interface, or Wi-Fi? Right now, we are getting the connectivity on my laptop. Which one, dear? Wireless or LAN adapter?
LAN adapter.
Wi-Fi adapter we are accessing. So double click. And then we are getting the multiple traffic because right now we are using the Zoom session, YouTube live session. So multiple things we are doing that is the reason we are getting the packet is ongoing continuously. Now, I just want to verify the DNS message. So click on this filter tab, this filtering tab, and write down your service name. If you want to access HTTP traffic, so enter. So HTTP traffic will be shown. HTTPS, then HTTPS. If you want to verify the FTP, enter. So FTP traffic. Right now, I just need to verify DNS, enter. So verify multiple messages we are sending, yes or no? So now first thing, this person is 192.168 1.3 say I am sending some data for 8.8.8 and I am sending the which one message? Which one message we are sending? Query message. Yes or no? So query message we are sending. No worry. This query response we can also get, but. Can you please verify, open this message and go to next layer. This one last. Inside domain name system, we are sending the query. And can you please verify if I'm click on this option and now verify the type field. This type field single A or 4 time A? Verify which one? It's a single or 4 time? Which one, dear? It's a single A type field. So whenever we are getting the single A means it's a IPv4 DNS query. Verify this thing. Last time we discussed now how to identify the DNS query is IPv4 or IPv6 user sent. So if you are getting a single A, IPv4. If you are getting a 4 time A, that means which one query, dear? IPv6. If you are accessing a mobile phone and trying to reach the google.com, so mostly we are sending which one query? IPv6, no brother. That is the reason. Okay, now multiple query, multiple response, we can get the. Okay, now close this one. Okay, if you want to study the Wireshark is a different part. But in Ccna, we can cover the 30 to 40%. But if you want to learn complete Wireshark, so some other module also available. You just need to go to first at JNtechNetworks.com and you can get the study, you can get the detail about the Wireshark training. This one, I think 1 month training you can easily get and complete deep packet inspection, malware detection, payload information you can verify, monitoring you can verify, you can learn the troubleshooting with the help of Wireshark. So Wireshark is a separate training part. Okay, if you want to learn, so go to a networking tab. Okay, click on the Wireshark WCNA. It's a full form of Wireshark. Now Wireshark certification network associate. So now go to next. And now this one is your modules. So how many modules available in Wireshark training? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Troubleshooting, analyst, interpretation, or introduction, or analyst overview. So multiple things you can learn in Wireshark. This one is separate track. It's a 1 month or 20 days training for Wireshark. So you can get some idea. And if you're working as a network engineer or network admin, so Wireshark is very important. Now go to next thing. We done how many services for HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, or DNS. Now we need to jump to next slide. Next layer is after application. After application, we reach on next layer, name is presentation. Which one layer, Abel? Presentation layer. Okay, why we use presentation layer? It's a very simple layer. It will be responsible to represent a data from source to destination. In this layer, data encode, decode, encryption also perform. Clear? Now one more thing. This layer also responsible to check a data types. Which one types, dear? Data types. So how many types data we are getting? We are getting a multiple types, lots of data types method, but we discussed common data types. Common means mostly cases we are using some data. Which one? For example, if you're having the data type is a text data, some JPEG file, MP3 file, MP4 file. Abel, if you have any idea about the MP3 file, What is the meaning of MP3? Why we use MP3? MP3, why we use? Any idea? Hello? Eva, any idea about the MP3? MP3 means it's an audio file. It's an audio format. Okay. MP4 means MP4 means it's a video format. We are getting a different types of video format, but this one is common. Now, JPEG, it's a picture extension. Sometimes PNG, GIF, we are also getting. The text method, if you write down the text message, so we are using. Now, one more thing in presentation layer, one more advanced feature we are doing. In this layer, compression, compress and decompress task perform. So which one task here? Compress and decompress task. Now one more thing. How to verify the presentation layer? If you're having the username is Bob. This one is character of Ccna. Okay. In your books also available Bob and Sam. Bob and Sam connected with wire. This one is wired connection. Now one more thing. Bob say, brother, I'm using WhatsApp and I want to send the data message. Okay. Bob say, I'm sending the hello message. So whenever this hello message sent by Bob to Sam, so Sam receive same data. Sam receive same data, but inside the data is available in text format, audio format, video format, or any other file. Which one? Any idea? Whenever Bob say I'm sending the hello message, so Sam receive which type of data? Which type of data? Text, audio, video? Any idea? Which one data? Text. Always text. You can receive the hello message. Any possibility available? This text message convert into audio file, video file, any JPEG, any GIF file, any possibility available? No. Why?
No.
Because in between both users, applications, mostly we are using application now. So application will responsible on presentation layer, the data types. Which one type dear? Data types. But one more thing. If Bob say, brother, I'm also sending one more data. In this data, I'm sending my audio file or some MP3, some songs we are sharing. So Bob say, I'm sharing the data with Sam. So whenever Sam receive the data format is now which one? Audio, video, JPEG, GIF, or text?
Audio MP3.
Audio. Clear? Very good. Now, same video to video, but if you are using on Bob's side a WhatsApp application, can you please explain WhatsApp is free application or paid application?
Come again.
WhatsApp application. If you are using WhatsApp application, WhatsApp is free app or you need to pay some amount? Hello. WhatsApp is free application or paid application? WhatsApp application for
It's free.
Voice messages, for texting. We are using this WhatsApp
It's
application.
Free.
So
It's
WhatsApp
free.
application free. Very good. Now, Bob say, brother, I want to share again some data files with the help of WhatsApp. So Bob generates some data and Bob say, brother, I'm having some JPEG file. And Bob say, I'm capture some pictures. And this pictures having the size of picture quality is 1024 768 pixel. This one is pixel size. Clear? And now file size is how many? File size is how many? 20 MB. Okay. Now, Bob sent this data on which one side? Sam side. So Sam receive which one data types? Audio, video, JPEG or text? Which one?
JPEG.
Which one?
JPEG.
JPEG. Now, whenever Sam receive the data, Sam say, brother, I am receiving your data from the WhatsApp. Its file is JPEG and file size is 768 640 pixel and file size is 2 MB. Now, Sam receive actual image or any other image? Can you please verify? Sam receive actual
2
image or
MB.
different? Bob say, brother, I am sending the 20 MB picture via the WhatsApp. But Sam say, brother, I am received 2 MB. How it possible? Any idea?
Different.
Yeah, it's a different. So always clear. Whenever anyone use a free applications, which one, dear? Free applications. So free application use some algorithms to do one task. Which one? Compress. And which one, dear? Decompress. Why we use compress method or why we use decompress method? So mostly cases, if you are using a free application, for example, WhatsApp, so million of users available active right now. And if anyone share, everyone if share one pictures, so WhatsApp database server size, storage size getting the full now. After some time, storage is getting full. So that is the reason developer will fix the algorithm of compress and decompress. What will be happen in compress or decompress method? So applications, database, servers verify the data types. Which one type? Data types. If your data type possible to do compress or decompress, so automatically run. Clear? Now, so whenever this user send the JPEG file, this user say, I am sending the file from the WhatsApp. But actually, this data we are uploading on which one server, dear? We are uploading on which one server? WhatsApp database server. That means this data will perform which one task? Which one task? Compress. And whenever user say, I'm brother receiving your data, I'm receiving. So receiving means this user will do decompress from which one server? WhatsApp database server. Clear? Now, so after receiving the file, this one file is actual. So if you think if you are sharing your any image, any type of image through the WhatsApp, through the free application, so we can receive actual image. No, we are not getting any possibility to receive the actual images. Clear? This thing is clear?
Clear.
Any doubt? Okay. How to verify this thing? How to verify these things? Okay. You can verify very easily from through the WhatsApp. If you are accessing WhatsApp, so we can do the lab for this application. Okay. Now, give me 1 second. I will show you the details. Hold on. You just need to download the WhatsApp and share some file. File size must be more than 1 MB. You can verify, okay, these things. But on Google Drive, if you are using a Google Drive, so Google Drive getting the limitation, you can get the 15 GB limited storage. So Google Drive never do compress and decompress tasks. But if you are using the free application, so possible to do which one task? Even compress
and decompress.
Okay, we can do the lab part also, this one. Okay. Okay, go through this video and we can meet again tomorrow. The day 3, we discuss OSI. In day 3, we discuss the session layer, transport, network, data, and physical. Each layer, one by one.
So where will I get this lab?
Okay, bye-bye.